Welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Wonders HD. Today we're diving into the realm of haptic technology with a special focus on the groundbreaking innovation brought to us by HaptX. HaptX, a pioneer in haptic technology, has been pushing the boundaries of immersive experiences with its revolutionary haptic gloves. And now, they're back with something even more extraordinary. The HaptX Gloves G1. Designed specifically for businesses, the HaptX Gloves G1 represent the pinnacle of tactile feedback technology, offering a level of realism and immersion never seen before in the digital world. Today, we're going to take a closer look at what makes the HaptX Gloves G1 a game-changer in the world of virtual reality and simulation. Join me as we explore the features, functionality, and sheer innovation packed into these remarkable gloves. Get ready to witness the future of interaction as we delve into the realm of haptic feedback with the HaptX Gloves G1. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss a single moment of this immersive journey. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed, as Tech Wonders HD brings you an exclusive look at the HaptX Gloves G1. Let's dive in. Now, let's delve into the remarkable advancements of the HaptX Gloves G1 compared to its predecessor, the DK2. The HaptX Gloves G1 represents a quantum leap forward in haptic glove technology, boasting several key improvements over the previous model. First and foremost, the G1 introduces enhanced ergonomics, ensuring a more comfortable and natural fit for users during extended wear. With multiple glove sizes available, including small, medium, large, and extra large, HaptX ensures that every hand finds the perfect fit. Furthermore, HaptX has liberated users from the constraints of cords with wireless mobility. Now, users can experience unrestricted movement, whether they're exploring virtual environments or engaging in real-world simulations. But perhaps the most exciting improvement lies in the enhanced haptic functionality of the HaptX Gloves G1. With refined tactile feedback systems, users can feel a heightened sense of realism, immersing themselves in virtual experiences like never before. One of the most significant strides HaptX has made with the G1 is in its affordability. While the previous DK2 model may have carried a hefty price tag, the HaptX Gloves G1 comes at a fraction of the cost. Pre-orders for the G1 start at just $4,500 with the purchase of multiple units, making this groundbreaking technology more accessible to businesses than ever before. With improved ergonomics, multiple glove sizes, wireless mobility, enhanced haptic functionality, and an unbeatable price point, the HaptX Gloves G1 sets a new standard for haptic technology. Let's look at the pre-order options and pricing details for the HaptX Gloves G1, giving businesses the opportunity to step into the future of haptic technology. Businesses can reserve their HaptX Gloves G1 by choosing between two options, reserving an individual pair or opting for a bundle that includes all four sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. Each pre-order includes not only the HaptX gloves themselves but also essential components like the Air Pack, the HaptX SDK for development purposes, and an enterprise-focused service and maintenance plan to ensure optimal performance. For those interested in a more flexible payment option, HaptX offers a monthly subscription starting at $495. This allows businesses to access the cutting-edge technology of the HaptX Gloves G1 without a significant upfront investment. The HaptX Gloves G1 are set to launch in Q3 of 2023, marking a significant milestone in the advancement of haptic technology. By placing a deposit now, businesses can secure discounted pre-order pricing and ensure priority access to this groundbreaking technology. In summary, the pre-order options for the HaptX Gloves G1 provide businesses with flexibility, affordability, and access to a comprehensive suite of features and services. It's an opportunity not to be missed in the rapidly evolving landscape of immersive technology. Now, let's delve into the remarkable features that make the HaptX Gloves G1 a game-changer in the world of haptic technology. First and foremost, the HaptX Gloves G1 deliver unmatched tactile feedback, allowing users to feel virtual objects with astonishing realism. This is made possible by the precise action of microfluidic actuators that simulate the sensation of touch with unparalleled accuracy. In addition to tactile feedback, the HaptX Gloves G1 boasts a powerful force feedback system that adds a sense of solidity to virtual objects. With up to 40 pounds of resistive force per hand, users can feel the size, shape, and texture of virtual objects with remarkable fidelity. The gloves also feature sub-millimeter motion tracking, allowing for precise and fluid hand movements within virtual environments. This level of accuracy ensures a seamless and immersive experience for users, whether they're exploring virtual worlds or interacting with complex simulations. Furthermore, the HaptX Gloves G1 come equipped with a wireless air pack, providing the necessary compressed air for the microfluidic actuators. This wireless functionality grants users the freedom to move without constraints, whether they're engaged in room-scale interactions or seated standing experiences. And let's not forget about comfort and fit. The HaptX Gloves G1 feature a soft, flexible design and are available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. This ensures that users of all hand sizes can enjoy the best fit and performance for their virtual experiences. The HaptX Gloves G1 offer a comprehensive suite of features that redefine the possibilities of virtual interaction. From unmatched tactile feedback to precise motion tracking and wireless functionality, these gloves are at the forefront of immersive technology. But how can developers harness the power of the HaptX Gloves G1 to create immersive experiences through the HaptX SDK? The HaptX SDK empowers developers to seamlessly integrate realistic touch into their applications, unlocking a new dimension of interaction and immersion for users. With plugins available for popular game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine, developers can easily incorporate haptic feedback into their virtual environments, enhancing the realism and engagement of their creations. Additionally, the HaptX SDK provides a comprehensive C API, giving developers full control over the haptic capabilities of the HaptX Gloves G1. This allows for customization and optimization to suit the specific needs of their applications. For applications requiring robotic connection and control, the HaptX SDK includes a robot operating system node, enabling seamless integration with robotic systems for advanced haptic interactions. One of the most groundbreaking features of the HaptX SDK is its haptic multi-user capability, which allows multiple users to feel the same objects in the same virtual environment simultaneously. This opens up exciting possibilities for collaborative experiences and training simulations. In summary, the HaptX SDK offers developers a powerful toolkit for creating immersive and interactive applications with the HaptX Gloves G1. From Unity and Unreal Engine integration to advanced haptic multi-user capabilities, the possibilities are endless. As we come to the end of our exploration of the HaptX Gloves G1, let's recap the key points we've covered today. We've witnessed the remarkable advancements of the HaptX Gloves G1, from improved ergonomics and enhanced haptic feedback to wireless mobility and precise motion tracking. These gloves represent a leap forward in immersive technology, offering unparalleled realism and interaction in virtual environments. We've also discussed the pre-order options and pricing details, highlighting the affordability and accessibility of the HaptX Gloves G1 for businesses looking to elevate their virtual experiences. So I encourage you, our viewers, to delve deeper into the world of HaptX Gloves G1 and discover the transformative potential they hold. Consider pre-ordering to embark on a revolutionary haptic journey that will redefine the way you interact with virtual environments. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of technology. From all of us here at Tech Wonders HD, we're excited to see what the future holds for immersive technology and the incredible experiences it will bring. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep wondering. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.